community.
It's going to have to read this. My mom is a building instructor, and she makes sure buildings are safe. My dad is a UPS man. He helps your packages get to you or to your best friends. These are my coaches. They teach me to play soccer. My big sister is a babysitter. She babysits my friends Austin and Brayden. When I grow up, I want to be a horse rider.
Good job, Arabella.